Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to concatenate all the individual items of a list, right? We need to return the concatenated string. So what we can do is we can simply do return, right? And we can do the join, right? So string dot join, and we can pass in the iterable. Iterable means any list, sequence, list, or string, right? All those which can be iterated over. So we just pass in the items. So this will, what it will do is it will grab every letter from the list and then just concatenate and then return it. So let's just do that, and let me submit the code. All right, I have already solved it. uh, so that's why it's not complaining anything. So yeah, that's how we solve this particular problem using join. All right, so join is an interesting method that can be applied on a string, right? It takes in every item and then it uh, joins them with a separator. We can define a separator. So since we did not define any separator over here, right, it did not do anything, but there can be a separator that we can use inside the string. We can specify anything as a separator and it just concatenates based on that separator. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.